Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this Day-Brite 20watt Rapid Start Fluorescent Wall Light. Now I believe this fixture would be used for something like lighting up a signage board, you know, a chalkboard or the little boards that you push the letters into, or something like that, something important, maybe a showcase or a sign on a wall, something that, you know, needed a light to be shined on it to, you know, draw attention, but not shine light anywhere else. And this light is pretty good at that. I believe I picked this up quite a long time ago at a restore. And it's not in, you know, perfect shape, but it's in very nice condition. There's not a lot of rust. There's just some like oxidation here that seems to have come over time again. It was clean at one point, but it's really hard to keep this thing clean. It seems to like to oxidate pretty easily. But anyway, that is a different problem. Nothing to do with the fixture's operation itself. So you can see it's a very nice design. We have the top here. You can see where the ballast is mounted inside, and we can obviously mount an even bigger ballast in here as well. You can knock out that hole there to mount a bigger ballast. But you can see the very cool design. Now, I don't really know what era this fixture is from. I can't really remember. I looked it up once. But if anybody has an idea of a year that this type of design or something like this would have been from, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm interested to find out. Anyway, on this end of the fixture, we have a hole for the cord to come out of. We also have another hole that you could use for a pull chain switch. But that is on this side. And you can see we have a very old pull chain. It's one of those that is made for an angle like this, so you can pull down on it. And what it does is it just pulls this rod out, and that is what clicks the switch inside. Very cool. These older switches, you can still find them, but they're pretty expensive nowadays. Obviously, this switch isn't really made to be pulled directly out. That would be a lot of force to do that. But pulling it on the side like this uses a lot less force. So a really nice old switch. The chain that was originally on it was pretty bad, so I replaced that. That was really easy to do. This nub comes off and you can replace the chain. So that was pretty nice. Let me go ahead and spin it around here so we can see the inside. Now, this bulb is obviously not original. It's a Westinghouse, but it's obviously not a black ender. This is a newer Westinghouse bulb. Made in Thailand though, that's pretty interesting. And here is the label itself in the fixture. You can see electric fixture, obviously, Day-Brite Lighting Incorporated. Pretty cool. You can see it also could have been a preheat fixture as well, but this one has a really early rapid start ballast inside. So, very unique construction. On the back, you can see holes for mounting the fixture, or even permanent mounting if you want the wires to come in through the wall. But this one seemed to have been wired with a cord connected to it. I've since replaced that cord, but that's how it was originally used. So let me put it back down, and I'll put the bulb that it came with back in there, which you can tell is pretty heavily used. Now let me go ahead and plug it in. And I have to work around the tripod here to get to the other side so I can get to the switch for you. Let's turn it on. It turns on instantly. Obviously, it's a rapid start ballast. I believe it is high power factor, if I remember correctly. But let's put it down so we can see how well it does its job of, you know, lighting something up. And you can see it's not really putting out much light, you know, towards the direction of the camera here. You can see once I get my hand, you know, real close to the bottom here, I have my hand about maybe a foot off of the floor right now. But then once we get up to about 2 feet, there's no more light coming from this fixture right here. So it does a really good job of washing the wall for the sign or whatever may have been placed beneath it. Very quiet as well. Very good quality ballast inside. I can't remember the manufacturer, but it's obviously a good one. One more time. Very cool. Well, anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video of this Day-Brite F20 T12 fluorescent wall washing signage light. Once again, I really do hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.